Welcome to Julie the Thrifty Designer. Well, I'm going to do, I guess, stage 2 on my downstairs with all my stuff. And I'm going to show you what I have done only one day later. Well, I guess 2 days later by the time you see this. But anyway, the things that I have achieved and what I'm getting ready to show you, I think will be interesting. Stay tuned and wait for it and watch for what I'm going to do. Okay, I know this still really looks like a hoarder's area. It's pretty bad, but I did, if you watched my first one, you will be able to see the difference in what I have already done. Okay, so first of all, this wardrobe was along the wall over there, opened as my daughter was trying to pull stuff out of it to decide what she wanted to get rid of. And all the boxes and stuff was against the other wall, just stacked. And I had all these nice shelves right here, just smack in the middle of the room with hardly anything on them, just because that's the way everything got shoved when it was taken out of the other room. So now I have at least put them on this side of the room. Now I'm playing the move this game and move that game over and over. I got to move this so I can make room to do something over here, and then I'll have to move it again to put it where it's really going to go. I'm going to move all these boxes probably a dozen times each before I finally get everything totally put into place. But right now, in order to get to still the hoarder's pile, which actually is smaller, it was a lot bigger and more obnoxious. It's still a big pile, but I'm working on it. And I know you won't be able to see it because of this pile. And I mean, everything just got shoved in here instead of trying to put it in here in a logical manner whatsoever. So now I'm sorting out the puzzle. But back behind these chairs, and I know you can almost tell they're chairs, my dining room extra chairs, actually my old set, I do have a desk. And with that desk, I'm going to take it out of there, and then you'll know this is my laundry room. Okay, going into, I just have this dirty old dungy basement laundry room. I don't have those beautiful laundry rooms that some people have that I really wish I had. And this is, of course, we know on this side over here is all my sister-in-law Barb's stuff. But what we're going to do is along this wall here, which I just have old paint buckets, and that pink cabinet is full of paint, old paint. I just got to go through all that and figure out what I'm going to do with it, what I should keep and what I should get rid of. And I just have some stacked cabinets that are not worth anything much. I mean, I'm able to use them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the desk in here. And I'll have some drawers and have some space underneath it that maybe like that one of those cabinets will go underneath the feet area. But I want to leave the top cleared off, so I can make it so I have at least like a folding table. All of this is going to get totally cleaned up. It is not going to look like this when I get done. I'm going to try to figure out my best to make it look really super nice in here. We'll see what I can do. It's just an unfinished basement that doesn't have anything going on with it, but I'm going to try. So hopefully I can make a desk that'll turn into a folding table with a little storage around it. And so that's what I'm hoping to achieve. So that is my goal. So I'm getting ready to work on my goal. And if I can get it more done, I will put it on this filming here.
3, 2,
okay,
1.
as you can see, well, there's the desk I was talking about. It was one since I was a young child. It was one I kept it because it was mine when I was young, I guess. Used to be on my dressing table more than a desk. But I could do my homework at it or put my makeup on. Anyway, I've dug it out. But unfortunately, just to get it out, so I have room to do stuff, I had to move everything over here. Like I said, it's a game of move it to here, to move it back to there. But just showing you the process. Yay! It fits! It really does. And one of the little desk thing, or end table, can go underneath it, and I can still put stuff underneath there for some storage units of stuff. I got a drawer, All these are drawers missing their handles, but I will find some new ones and put on there. But when I get it all cleaned up, now when we're taking stuff out of the dryer, we have a place maybe we can set it when we transfer stuff to from the washer to the dryer, and we already have so many in the dryer. But yay, it's working. Okay, this is the area where the desk was, and I pulled it out, and next to it was my antique dresser that when my daughter was 13 something years old, she decided to spray the handles and put stickers all over it. I don't know if that can be repaired or not. It's a shame. So anyway, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. But I just wanted to show you that I've gotten back in the corner here. And there was quite a few boxes that was way up high. In fact, there's a Panasonic box over there. It says microwave oven. That is truly actually Barb's extra box. She's kind of keeps on to some of these boxes in case she does move some of her stuff she can pack in it because she's got a microwave. So that's still over there, but I can't get to it. But I did pull out quite a bit that was stacked way up high. And so that box is Barb's, and this little stuff right here is my daughter's. And then I have a few antiques that's mine. And that was supposed to be my son's, or I can use on around the Christmas tree. And neither one of us have really cared. So I may see if I can sell it or something at some point. And then I have, oh, I don't think you can see it. Let me turn on the flash. Come on. Turn on. There we go. Bottles and bottles of water. I'm not a heavy-duty prepper, but I am a little bit, just in case of a natural disaster or something that really is a problem. And we're out of water for a while. I've put some water away, and I've put a little bit of food away. I'm not, like I said, any heavy prepper. I just want to be prepared in case something negative happens in our world, and I'm going to wish we had at least some water to drink. So I have bottles of water back here. So yes, it adds to the look of being piled up because nothing's organized the way I would like it to be, but it's going to be when I get done. So anyway, I don't know if you can tell, but I have made some more progress. And well, I've been at it for 2 or 3 hours now. And well, you know, I have moved that into there and her extra stuff that I have uncovered into her side of the room for my sister-in-law. And I have moved stuff from one spot to another so I could dig things out. So now what I'm going to end up doing, of course, is moving all of that pile back over there for the night. I'm pretty done. I'm tired. Just a little update on my medical treatments that I have been having doing. I have to tell you, it has really helped me a lot. A month ago, I couldn't even begin to do what I'm doing right now. Not even close. I couldn't have done even a fourth of it, I don't think. Maybe if that at all. And I'm able to pretty much move and slide and do stuff. I'm getting up, walking a whole lot easier already. This treatment is... it's a godsend. It's a miracle so far. I used to just struggle to stand up. It was a hard thing from a sitting position to get up. You would think I was 90 years old trying to stand up. It was so bad. And this neuropathy was bad for my feet, and I didn't even realize I had it. And I've had 2.5 weeks of treatments now. Well, I guess a total of 3 weeks now. And we haven't even gotten to the injections that I'm going to be getting. They're going to do stem cells, but they're going to be made out of my own blood. They're taking some blood and they're going to spin it, and then they're going to take whatever part it is they want to use, and they're going to inject it into some main nerves on my feet and on my arms and hands. So I get to have my first injections tomorrow. So we'll see how I feel after those are done. I'm going to have a total of 12 injections tomorrow. So hopefully I will feel okay from it. But with just the rest of my treatment and changing my diet, I'll say I've lost 6 pounds, 6.5 pounds, something like that, in just 2 weeks. So that's a yay. And I'm feeling so much more energetic. I see a chiropractor twice a week now, and my neck is completely straight. There is no curve to my neck. So he's working on that, and I can already tell the difference on just what little he's done. I think it's really strange that I was under chiropractic care for a year with other treatments and stuff, and they didn't even make me feel half as good as these guys have made me feel in just 2.5 weeks. I'm just blown away by the difference. So pray that this continues to work for me, but I'm actually having the energy to get up and go to try to make a difference down here. And well, there is a difference. I really like what I have done so far. This is going to be a long job for me, but if all goes well, I will get it totally done. And when you come down here, eventually you're going to see a finished project and go, wow, this looks great. I was watching Liz from Traditions by the Seasons, and she actually inspired me to try to get a better a handle on all of mine. I don't know that I can do what she did, but I have like 1/4 of the storage space that she has. So, and I have as much as she has. So anyway, I've got to figure out how I'm going to organize it and make it so I can come down here and know exactly what I want to get and bring upstairs to decorate with, whether it's holiday decorating or everyday decorating. So I think this is starting to look pretty good. Yep, I'm happy with it. Well, here I am. I'm pretty flushed, as you can see. I'm pretty hot and flushed. I've been moving everything and trying to make a difference in here. And I even had to take my sweater off. It was so hot moving all of this. So, hey, it's the real deal. This is what you get when you're moving and doing stuff. I'm no beauty queen anyway. So, I'm not even going to try to be and pretend to be. So, anyway, I just wanted to say to everybody, I am so glad that you're interested in seeing what I do down here, and I hope you'll stay tuned. I'm going to probably upload this video on Friday or Saturday, but this is only Wednesday when I'm filming this. So, Thursday. Yes, Thursday. Tomorrow. That's what it is. I'm going to take a departure from doing down here, and I'm going to do a Valentine's tablescape with Jody from Southern Seasons, and make what do they call it? I'm so good at this. A collaboration. That's the wording I'm trying to say. Of a Valentine's tablescape. So look for that on Thursday, even though this will come out after that. I'm crazy. I'm a nut. I know it. So anyway, you all take care and God bless and happy decorating. And in this case, happy rearranging and organizing. Bye now. Till we see you again.